Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage not working after updating iOS. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that once you have updated your iOS, your iMessage is not working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go to your settings app and here go to apps section. Just look for messages app here and you just have to try to enable some settings for your messages app. The very first and the very important, just enable iMessage toggle from here. Just enable this toggle and just wait for this activation. So it will activate your iMessage sometime after update. Your iMessage has been deactivated or has been disabled. So once you have enabled this toggle, your iMessage might have been enabled. Now you can easily use some iMessage without any issue, or you can also go to your general section, go to software update and retry to check for any latest update here because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug in previous software update. So iOS have a latest software update to fix that bug. So after that, just simply go back and just go to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to contact the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this is simply open your Apple support app. And here just select iPhone from here. Then select more option. Just look for messages app here, select that, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.